Harnessing artificial intelligence can help e-commerce businesses create seamless omni-channel marketing campaigns. Here's some key ways that you can use AI to optimize your omni-channel efforts. Content creation is one of the most common ways that businesses use AI, and it's especially useful for the speed and scale required for omni-channel campaigns. Artificial intelligence can generate consistent and impactful content while maintaining a unified brand experience across all your channels. It can also help you serve the right products to your customers with personalized product recommendations. Using AI-driven algorithms, marketers can create omni-channel campaigns that offer tailor-made product suggestions for each recipient based on their unique preferences. Artificial intelligence can also be used to foresee important data patterns and trends that impact your omni-channel journeys. AI models can predict which channel your customers will engage on, the best time to send them a message, whether they are likely to make a purchase, and more. You can even use AI to optimize your campaign testing with contextual personalization. Artificial intelligence can analyze each customer's relationship with your brand to pick the perfect test variant for their particular needs, so you always serve the right message to the right customer.